And here we are at the Haven running a temp test to prevent stringing, or do our best to prevent stringing. Dual extrusion and stringing is just something that happens, but as long as you can get them tiny enough, they don't affect the print. I mean, you can get some that'll be almost zero, but as you can see on this test, I have it strict. I have the distances pretty far apart. Several reasons. Actually, I have several different size caps, and I should have moved this one over here somewhere. Either way, we are still stringing with the blue for sure. And our temp is 32. So this temp tower is supposed to go 5 degrees. Pretty sure only sometimes does it actually change the temperatures, but it gives you time to run around, do other stuff while you're waiting on this. It changes at each block. Again, this one doesn't change at each block, but to design your own temp tower is no big deal. It's pretty simple. And while this does stuff like this, I go ahead and do what I gotta do. And make sure when it gets over here to the red side, it's staying at. It's struggling to keep temp. There it is. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah, our temp's fluctuating quite a bit with this side. It's only 1 degree either way, but Tronxy's pretty good at holding temp. Wish we could set that how long the screen stays on. About 3.5 hours left. I'm going for about an hour and a half. Doesn't help that it's 90 degrees outside today, so I gotta have the AC on. Which is where a good enclosure will come in handy. I do have Go enclosed a little bit, but better enclosure would be nicer. Anyways, learned that if I just let this thing do its own thing, I don't have to edit these videos much. So, that's a plus. Yeah, I'm gonna let it go for a few more minutes like this, but I'm gonna stop this recording because this is a temp tower. You now know that I do this.